Hello, people. What's going on? I hope some people are logging on, waiting for some people. We're at the Delhi airport. Guess who's right next to me? It's Summer. So we can't be too loud right now because there's a lot of people around here. It says the connection is weak.
By the way, Sanam is not here with us, and we're gonna be seeing him maybe after like 3-4 hours. So he's gonna miss this live chat.
Yeah, it's too sad. He was supposed to be on the same flight as us, but yeah, I think we just missed it. You know. Yo, people. What's up?
He's here.
We're all here. So guys, we need to talk like really soft because
Can you guys hear us, by the way?
yeah, can you guys hear us? Anybody reply? Let us know. And also the signal here is really weak, so we're wondering if you guys can hear us and see us. Can you guys hear us? Anybody? Yes? No? They're all saying hello, so we'll say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Nobody's saying they can't hear us.
Okay, cool. So, do
that
you guys know what the video is for? Huh?
What is this live
you know
chat
what the video
for?
is for?
Any idea?
This live chat is for
And
1
next release, eh?
1 mil.
Okay, take it one at a time. What is this for?
Okay, first
This
one.
Live chat is
live
for
chat is only for 1 million subscribers that we've.
And next release.
Yeah.
next release. Venki, what do you think the live chat is about?
It's chillin'. Cup tea.
I think it's the end of the year, so maybe we want to know what you guys like this year and what you guys are looking forward to next year. So it's about all those things, right?
Yeah, it is.
And maybe about the weather also.
No, first of all, we really want to
Okay.
thank you all for
Yes.
helping us reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
1 million! Liking! 1 million! Thank you guys so much. You guys have been so supportive and we really, really, really appreciate all the love and support you guys give us. And thanks. 1 million. Let's
Thanks to each of
grow.
those
Let's
million
party.
fingers that clicked like, you know,
Each of the?
each of the million fingers that clicked like, that hit like.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, so each of you guys, thanks for that, thing that you did.
Thank you million times.
Yes, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, Rajni Ranu. Thank you, Monisha. Thank you, Babu B.
This live chat is only for me. Nice. Just for you. Like that, this is for every single one of you guys.
Thank you, Shabana here.
Shabana, hey Shabana, what's going on?
You're one of the millions, so thank you.
Hey, Gauravi.
Gauravi, thank you.
There's
Hi.
Budruddin.
Budruddin.
Babu B.
Thank you, Budruddin Babubi. Babubin. Hey, my cousin Sudodhan. What's up?
Yeah?
So,
Hey,
Oh, nice.
hey Sudodhan. Cool. So guys, okay, so let's firstly, so thank you guys, and all these million thanks we're gonna do like this. Thank you guys million times. And what's the other thing?
our next release is,
What is this?
I don't remember the name.
It's the TDS song.
It's a TDS song.
Tax deducted at,
At source.
yeah. So since we're at the source and right now,
Yeah.
we're ready to release the song. It's gonna be, I think, right after the live chat. So
Yeah,
whenever
but
we're
we
done,
can
we'll
just
start.
hint, give you.
Okay,
a
so,
the song is sung by KK. Kailash
KK,
K.
and the song name is T, E, and then I don't know.
Okay, any guesses, guys? So they've
Okay,
given
keep
you two
guessing. We're
clues.
gonna be reading the comments till we get the name.
Please read comments. We're reading the
KK
comments.
is also in that band as Paresh and Naresh Kamath.
The song is not high. No. The song is not love you.
The song is not love you. Song is
The
not
song
high.
is not handsome.
Song is not handsome. Guess the song, guys. Any
The
idea?
song is not wow.
They've given you two clues.
The song is not hey summer I love you.
Love you, Asha.
Okay, guys. So okay, nobody's guessing. So I think we need to give them a little stronger.
Can we guess?
clues.
Tell me which song. Do you know which song we're releasing? I don't think you know. He
I
doesn't
don't know. I think something about the name of song. Come on, that's
Name
it.
of song.
We
Okay,
want
the
the name
song
of the song.
starts with T.
And ends with D.
No, it
with
doesn't.
I.
No, ends with I.
I.
I
So
know,
there's
I know.
two
I was
words,
just kidding.
T and D. So the first word starts with T and second word starts with D.
Hey, Vatsal. Hey, Nitisha. Okay, continue.
Nitisha, say my name.
Hello.
Say my name. Vatsal.
Release fast, please.
Yes.
You'll have to
Shubh
wait
Diksh.
for.
Do you
Yeah.
guys have? Yes, we had faith too.
Yay,
we're
we're
back. Sorry, guys.
Back.
Okay, so someone guessed. Yes.
Yes.
What's his name? Kunal Jadhav. Guys,
Kunal
find his
Jadhav?
comment. Kunal
Here.
Jadhav's comment.
He's also
And
guessed.
Prasanjit Ghosh.
Both of y'all. Oh,
And
Rupal.
Rupal Jain.
Rupal Jain. You've all got it right.
Rashmi Borkar.
Rashmi's also got it right.
So that's the song.
That's the song, yes.
Teri Divani.
Yes, that is the
Lakshmi
one.
Murugan.
You
Quick
got
Gun
it right.
Murugan.
Guys, go check out all those comments. They've gotten the name right. Yes, Shweta's also got it right.
Shweta Swastika Sami.
Yay. Please say my name.
Rahul Thakur.
Pamela. Pamela Rana. Okay, guys. So, why are we here? By the way, we're in Delhi right now, Delhi airport.
And I'm like really sleepy because
Because
we
of
haven't slept properly, and now we're gonna go home and then.
Hey, it's back. Okay, guys. Listen, we have really bad signal over here. The Wi-Fi is very bad. So, really sorry for it disconnecting and stuff like that. We're trying to move closer to get like better Wi-Fi signal or whatever. So, I guess this is a good spot.
Yeah, but we're in the. I don't know whether.
We're right in the middle of a.
We're in the entrance.
Yeah, that's okay.
Maybe if we can move a little bit.
We'll move here to the corner. Okay. So,
So
guys,
the name of the song is
one word.
Teri.
Divani.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Bye.
by.
Oh, bye.
He's my bye.
Okay. Kelasa. I got it. Okay, cool. So guys, thank you guys for a million likes on Facebook
Okay,
and on
one more
YouTube
thing.
as well.
Sorry we're sounding like this. We really want to scream and shout, but you know we're at the airport and we can't do that.
Yeah. So we just.
Oh, but we can jump. Let's jump together. Come on, guys.
Okay,
Jump.
Summer's gonna jump for
I'm
you
gonna
guys.
jump for you guys.
Go for it, Summer. Jump. Hey, you made a promise.
Okay, I'm done with my invisible guitar.
Go for it.
Like this.
Venki, jump.
No.
Sanam, jump. I'll
Come
jump.
closer.
Summer, come closer. Oh, so close. Teri Divani by Sanam. Nice. Yes, that's what you're gonna
Yeah,
hear
that's
soon.
what you're gonna. Yeah. Hope you guys like the version.
Yeah. So we were.
Our new rendition.
Where did we perform last night?
We performed
We were
in
in
Moradabad.
Moradabad.
It was really, really cold and foggy,
Yeah, we were freezing.
and I
Yeah.
couldn't see anybody like Venki, Keshav, or Sama on the
Yeah.
stage.
So we could really just feel each other, you know, because we were wearing in-ears.
Okay, what is he saying?
Okay, just ignore what Venki said, guys.
Yeah.
Forget about the feel and all that.
To play with feel, otherwise, like,
Yeah, but
music sounds like.
we can
Okay,
just
we need
feel
to
each
go.
other. Yeah, Venki's getting kinky. Okay, guys. Yeah, so it was good
I hope
fun.
you enjoyed
There was a lot of
it,
fog, and we performed in the fog, which was really cool for us. So we didn't need a smoke machine because the fog did the job of the smoke machine. Awesome. So cool. Check out our song. It's gonna release in.
5 minutes, 10
We'll,
minutes?
we'll go. Let's do a countdown from 10.
1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
so
we'll
10,
start with 10.
10,
9,
10.5,
8, 7,
7.9,
6,
7.8,
5,
7.7,
4,
3.9.
2,
Hey,
1.
wait,
And wait, 1. Okay, waiting.
0.9,
0.9,
0.8,
0.8,
0.7,
0.7.
0.69,
What?
0.68. Okay.
And 0.
Minus 1.
Okay.
Minus 2. Minus 3.
And
And
0. Okay, guys, so the video is going to release on YouTube now. And it'll release on
I hope you
Facebook as soon as
guys,
this is over.
we hope you guys like the video, the song,
Yes.
and us in the video.
Yep. Let us know what you guys think about the song and wait for our release after that, the next
Keep
release.
clicking. Click, click.
Can I sing something? I can, but I won't.
Okay, but he's gonna do something for sure.
No. Not here. See what they make me do, man, in public places. It's really embarrassing. But
No, it's
anyway, hey. Okay, cool. So see you guys. Are we gonna say bye? Are we done?
Yeah. We'll have to go.
We have to go
Catch
now.
a flight.
Yes, we're gonna miss our flight, and also signal is very low, so it'll keep getting cut. So I think we're gonna go.
Hi, Swati.
Hello. Just when we're saying bye, he's saying hi.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys. Sorry, we're all like quiet and like not jumping around. We're here. See.
I did jump.
Oh yeah, summer
I
jump.
did jump for you
Let's
guys.
see where we are. Everybody's silent and chilling.
Yeah.
Thank you. Want to say something? Last words?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this and keep clicking. That's what it is about.
Sanam, last words?
Last words, just watch the video, enjoy. The song is called Teri Diwani by Kailasa, performed by us. It's our rendition. Enjoy.
Samar, any last words?
Have fun. Have fun.
One more?
And take care.
And have fun.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for your love, for liking our videos, for subscribing, for enjoying our songs, and Keshav, you gonna say something?
For supporting us. So 1 million likes, guys. This is the sign for all the likes. Likey. So each 1 million fingers who pressed like. Thank you guys so much. Red rum. So see you guys. Have fun and like our video. Subscribe, comment, interact with all the content that we keep putting out, and lots of new stuff coming up soon. So wait for that.
Subscribe zarur karna.
Oh yeah. Okay. See you guys.